Blackboard Calendar allows you and your learners to keep track of upcoming events. Instructors can add both class-based and personal entries, but learners can only add personal events. Any Blackboard event that is time-restricted is automatically added to the calendar, for example, an assessment. If you change the date of the assessment, it will automatically be reflected in the calendar, which syncs the new date. Finally, the information in your Blackboard calendar can be imported into your external calendar via the generated ICS iCal link. Now let me go to my course and calendar. If we look at the 25th of December, we will see that there's already an assessment there. I didn't add it to my calendar. I added the assessment in the usual place, and it automatically shows on my calendar. Now maybe I'll look at that again and decide that 25th of December is not a very good submission date, and I change it to the 30th of December. Literally, I can drag it, move it, and that's it. And if we want to check that in the assessments, if I click on assessments and show you the assessment, you will see the due date is now the 30th of December. For other events, there are two simple ways to add them to your calendar. The first is using the plus. You can adjust the start date and the end date accordingly. You can give a description and then press save. And there it features on the calendar. The other way you can add an event is literally to double-click directly on the calendar and then follow the same steps as before. You will notice as an instructor I have a different calendar for all my courses. I also have an institution calendar, which shows everything combined of all my courses, and a personal calendar. And obviously when I add events to my personal calendar, it's not shared with the learners. In all of the other calendars, the events are there both for me and the learners. Finally, if you want to sync with your regular calendar, for example your Microsoft Outlook calendar, click on the button below and then copy the link and paste it into your email client following the necessary instructions.